According to a report by the International Coach Federation, there are now over 71,000 coaches worldwide, and the industry is growing at a rapid pace. What does this mean for coaches? As a coach, you need to stand out from the crowd, and that's where personal branding can help you. In this video, I'm going to share with you a 5 step-by-step process to build your personal brand as a coach or a service provider. Hey, this is Ahmed. I co-founded Madgency, a full-service digital marketing agency helping businesses scale faster. At Madgency, we manage and spend up to $3 million per month in ad budget for our clients. So we know a thing or two about growing and scaling businesses online. So let's talk about how you can build your personal brand as a coach. Personal branding is the process of creating a unique image and reputation for yourself as a coach or a service provider. It is about showcasing your expertise, personality, and values to your target audience. You can use these 5 steps that I'm going to share with you to build your own personal brand as a coach. Define your niche. To build a successful personal brand, you need to be clear about your niche. What specific problem do you solve for your clients? Who is your target audience? What sets you apart from all the other coaches out there? By answering these questions, you can create a positioning or angle for your messaging that speaks to the unique value you offer. Develop your messaging. Your messaging should be clear, concise, and consistent. It should convey your unique value proposition and speak directly to the needs and desires of your target audience. One common mistake coaches make is that they try to appeal and convert everyone. But to build a strong personal brand, you need to focus on a specific niche and the specific problem you solve, and then align your messaging based on your unique offers. Build your online presence. Your online presence is crucial in building your personal brand as a coach. You need to have a professional website that shows your expertise, services, and testimonials from all the happy clients you have served. You also need to be active on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook, where you can engage with your target audience and share valuable content that positions you as an expert. When it comes to choosing an online platform, every platform is best until your target audience spends time on a specific platform. Create valuable content. To establish yourself as a thought leader or authority in your niche, you need to create valuable content that resonates with your target audience. This can include social media posts, blog posts, case studies, podcasts, videos, or even ebooks. By sharing your expertise and insights, you can build a trust with your audience and establish yourself as the go-to resource in your industry. Network and collaborate. Finally, to build a strong personal brand, you need to network and collaborate with other coaches and influencers in your industry. Attend conferences, join online groups, and participate in webinars and podcasts. By building strong relationships with others in your field, you can expand your reach and increase your visibility among potential clients. Remember, personal branding is not about being someone you're not. It's about presenting the best version of yourself to your target audience. By following these 5 steps, you can build a personal brand that sets you apart from all the competition and helps you attract your ideal clients. That's it for today. If you want to watch more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming content.